Hello, and welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast Learning. Today, we're going to learn about the Elliott Wave triangle structure. Triangle is an Elliott wave pattern seen during sideways market consolidations and is composed of 5 corrective sequences. Triangle presents a balance of forces between buyers and sellers, causing a sideways movement that is usually associated with decreasing volume and volatility. Here are some guidelines of an Elliott wave triangle structure. 1. This pattern subdivides into 3-3-3-3-3 structures, labeled as A, B, C, D, E. 2. Subdivision of A, B, C, D, E can be either A, B, C, W, X, Y, or flat. 3. Triangle is a continuation pattern which breaks in the direction of the preceding move. It usually occurs in wave B, wave X, or wave 4. Very rarely, it can occur in wave Y or Z positions as well. 4. Triangle must be supported in RSI indicator as well, and it never occurs in wave 2 of impulsive structure. 5. A bullish triangle is formed when the market goes sideways after a rally and then results in a breakout to the upside. 6. A bearish triangle is formed when the market gets sideways after a decline and then results in a breakout to the downside. 7. There are different types of triangle structures. For example, ascending triangles, descending triangles, contracting or symmetrical triangles, expanding or reverse symmetrical triangles. If you would like to learn more about Elliott wave patterns, sequence of swings, and how to trade them in real time, feel free to subscribe to our 14-day trial.